Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Uncivil Law, where as always we learn through the misfortunes of others. And this is just a brief video to thank so many of you who send me gifts from time to time. You know, I want to make sure that everyone gets acknowledged and appreciated. I do have a P.O. box that's listed on my About page, and you can send me stuff. And of course, you guys have sent me pickle. I have two of them now. One sits in the box, one sits by my computer. But also recently, someone sent me this mug, just says you can't unfuck a clusterfuck. And just today I discovered that says you are a good person, Kurt, on the back. That's nice. I didn't even notice it said that on the back before. I've been, just using and drinking out of it. I didn't even notice it had writing on the other side before. That's pretty cool. Thank you. Also recently, of course, someone sent me Eeyore. Eeyore sits in the back of my shot, so you might have spotted him before. He sits on He sits on my counter next to my YouTube play button and my Supreme Court bar license, next to my dragon eye. So Eeyore's back there. I am Eeyore. I like law. I hope you like law too. Hello. I like Eeyore. Eeyore's fun. I love you, Eeyore. Okay, cool. So you get to sit back on your counter, your point of awesomeness. And then we got some new stuff. We got this little rubber ducky, and he comes with a gold chain. And he squeaks. So that's fun. And then he comes with a little donut life raft, I guess. And he also comes with some sunglasses, although I can't quite figure out how those are supposed to attach. But he comes with some sunglasses so he can be too cool for school. But I'm not sure if I'm supposed to glue that on or what. Doesn't seem to stick naturally. So the sunglasses don't have a way to stick on right now. And most importantly, he comes with a little fun cowboy hat. So we got gangster, cowboy, squeaky rubber ducky on a donut life raft with a gold chain. That's really cool. Thank you very much. That is very, very fun. I like that. Then also, one of you sent me this, real salt. I haven't had this for a while before, but yeah, this is pretty cool. So, simple, clean, so yeah. It's like volcanic salt or something like that. Take off this little sticker, I can read the description of it. Long before the earth knew pollution, volcanic eruptions sealed an ancient, pristine oven beneath a layer of protective ash in what's now North America. Real salt is the only brand of sea salt harvested from this ancient deposit near Redmond, Utah. We're bringing it to you exactly as nature created, unrefined, ancient sea salt with subtle, sweet flavor, unlike any other salt on earth. Cool. So, someone gave me real salt. And then, one of you guys was very generous indeed and sent me 2 new cooking items for cooking time. So one of you sent me, the same person actually, they sent me this 4-quart mixing bowl. So I got this big ass mixing bowl now. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. So I got a big ass mixing bowl. So mixing bowl problems, crises, yeah. Here's my old bowl that I've been using. Here's new bowl. You can see that new bowl is substantially bigger than old bowl. So we have a much bigger bowl to add to the collection. And then what is labeled as a batter bowl, but is actually just the biggest measuring cup I've ever seen. It's graduated in everything. So it measures 64 ounces of liquid, or 2 liters, and it's a big ass measuring cup. it comes with a lid. So that's interesting. I have the biggest measuring cup ever known. So excited. So I will put that in my shelf. I'm not sure why I need a measuring cup that big, but I have one now. So I just wanted to say thank you to all the people who send me stuff from time to time. You know, one of you guys also sent me this head massager. I still have the box for it. I keep the thing in the box, so have that there. So that's nice. I use that sometimes. That's nice, and I appreciate everyone who sends me stuff. You know, it's just another way to show support and it's appreciated. You know, things I never buy for myself. I definitely would never buy big ass measuring cup. That is definitely a whole new world. So thank you for all those things. Thank you for all those items. And if you want to send me items, my P.O. box is listed on my About page. And in case I move, of course, it will be updated. So it should always remain current. And because I'm thinking about moving to Houston pretty soon. And so that might change, but the current address is there and you can get it right there, and awesome. We will be on tomorrow for Supreme Court at 9 Central, 10 Eastern, and then we'll be on with the trial later. So that'll be fun. You have an idea for my channel if I'm still looking for suggestions? Sure. You know, always appreciate suggestions. You know, a good place to send suggestions is my Discord. It's a good place to send story suggestions, and also you can talk about the story suggestions in the general tab and talk about it with other people and talk about, you know, what might be fun and stuff like that. So if you have ideas for the channel, a great place to share them is on Discord, because then other people can see them and comment on them, and if other people like them and it seems popular, then, you know, it's an indication to me that it's something that other people will be interested in. So I think Discord is a good place to go. I think when you do editing and work on your computer while streaming isn't very engaging. That's true. It's not. That's sometimes for my benefit more than for yours, to be 100% honest. So yeah. When I do editing work and I share it with you, it's usually because I'm not feeling very motivated. And so usually the chat has a nice way of motivating me and encouraging me. And just by being there, like they don't have to do anything special, just by being there and commenting and stuff like that, it helps me. So when I'm streaming, me editing, it's usually because I'm a little bit down and I can't quite get motivated, and I need to you know, work on things, and it's just a way to help me, stuff like that. Oh, you mean editing while I was covering the trial? In that particular case, there wasn't really anything going on in the trial for me to comment about. So yes, I was doing editing work relating to videos that I needed to edit during the stream that I was covering it, but it's because there wasn't really anything going on. It was kind of the same testimony we had heard already, so there wasn't anything new for me to comment on. And of course I was keeping one ear in because I was listening to myself edit, because I have to listen to the audio and listen to the court audio at the same time. So I was trying to keep one ear in and stuff like that, but you know, I just wanted to get some work done, and I had that space and not much was happening in the trial, and there was no particular reason for me to, you know, comment. But it's a fair point. It's a fair point. You know, maybe it was not ideal for me to do editing in the background while I was streaming the trial. You know, I just was behind in my work, and I wanted to catch up so I wouldn't have any, wouldn't be behind anymore. But and trying to take advantage of what seemed like a reasonable opportunity, but perhaps I wasn't as engaged as I otherwise be during the trial. So it's a reasonable consideration. Thank you for bringing it to my attention. I'll certainly think about it more. You know, if more had been happening during the trial, I wouldn't have done that. But since it was, you know, it's just the same testimony we'd heard already so many times. It's like, there was nothing really new being added at that point. So I took advantage of a lull. Oh, I had a nice time at the gym, by the way. Not my best day at the gym, incidentally. I wasn't able to complete all my workout today. I was just tired. And I couldn't quite finish everything. But I did my cardio. I did my 15 minutes of biking. And I did squats, I think, today. Yes. And I did overhead lat pull downs, and I did straight arm lat extensions and some rowing. I think maybe something else. But I missed like 2 of the exercises I was supposed to do today because I was just tired. One of them was like leg curls, and my legs were feeling a little bit shot, so I decided to pass on that. And but yeah, I did have a good workout today. I at least got it done. And I was just tired. I was tired when I went, but I did it. I got done, and I managed to still have a reasonably productive day at the gym. So not every day at gym is going to be best day at gym. So just a note of encouragement. When you go to the gym, not every day is going to be your best day. But you go and you try to get what you can get done, and try to listen to your body a little bit, and like, okay, I'm tired. I want to go home now, and I'm still tired. So it was a productive day. So I had fun at the gym, and got some stuff done. So yeah. So showing up is half the battle, right? So yeah. So good times. All right, I'm going to sign off for now because this is just a quick thank you stream, so that's all I had for now. And I actually have to film something for Attorney Reacts tonight, so I still have more filming to do. So I can film something for Tom's channel, and then I'll be on tomorrow morning. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, I've been Uncivil Law. I will see you soon. Until later, my friends, I hope all is well. Cheers, my fans, and goodbye.